Hi there, Andrea from Success Consult. Today I'm going to show you how to do really quick and easy basic Facebook posts with a link of your choosing. I have one here I've already done, so I'm going to replicate that for you. So when you come into your business page, you can write a post by clicking. And for the example I've done before, I'm literally just going to upload a photo which I have got on my desktop. Perfect. So when you're writing a post, obviously putting a link in allows people to click on to action. I'm going to use a link to the website, but you can include a link to your booking form, a link to any other system that you really want people to follow. So you will know it's a proper link when actually the color changes blue. Um, so, hi all, please take a look at our new website, link included. So if I post this, I don't need to do any other action. But when you have a look at the posts, there it is. Hi all, please take a look at our new website. Click on the link and the action will happen. Okay, I hope that's helped you out. Speak soon.